In 1926, John Baird operates a television system with 30 lines of resolution running at 5 frames per second. In 1930, Charles Jenkins broadcasted the first TV commercial. Also this year, the British Broadcast Network begins their regular TV transmissions. In 1936, about 200 television sets are in use worldwide. Also this year, there was the introduction of the coaxial cable, which is a pure copper or copper-coated wire surrounded by insulation and an aluminum covering. These cables were and are used to transmit television, telephone, and data signals. In 1937, CBS begins TV development. Also this year, the British Broadcasting begins high-definition broadcast in London. In 1946, Peter Goldmark, working for CBS, demonstrated color television systems to FCC. His system produced color pictures by having a red, blue, green wheel spin in front of the cathode ray tube. In 1948, cable television is introduced in Pennsylvania as means of bringing television to rural areas. Also this year, it was granted that 1 million homes in the U.S. have television sets. This was a year that marked mass production of the television. In 1950, Vladimir Zworykin developed a better camera tube called the Vidicon. In 1960, the first split-screen broadcast occurs on the Kennedy-Nixon debates. In 1967, most TV broadcasts are in color. In 1969, on July 20th, the first transmissions from the moon occurred and 600 million people watched. In 1972, HBO is born. In 1973, the giant screen projection TV is first marketed. In 1976, Sony introduces Betamax, the first home video cassette recorder. In 1977, 12 million cable subscribers exist in America. In 1978, PBS becomes the first station to switch to all satellite delivery of programs. In 1981, MTV is created. In 1982, Dolby Surround sound for home sets is introduced. In 1983, direct broadcast from satellite to Indianapolis occur. In 1986, Super VHS is introduced. In 1993, closed captioning is required on all TV sets. In 1996, the FCC approves ASTC's HDTV standard. In 1997, the new television rating system, similar to that of movies, debuts on both cable stations and broadcast networks. Also this year, the first plasma screen TVs are sold.
In 2006, television signals came in both analog and digital format.
In September of 2011, 3D TVs are on the market. In 2013, smart TVs with internet connectability come out. In 2020, 3D TVs are standard. In 2024, movie theaters go out of business because no one attends them anymore. In the year 2026, DVDs become obsolete and Blu-ray takes over. In 2028, all major appliances like fridges, washers, dryers, stove, etc. include a miniature television included with the appliance. In 2040, TVs are made with clear wiring and hardware as well as the back of the TV, making everything see-through except when it is on. Everyone enjoyed this because it was a new stylish look. Buttholes were drilled into the wall to support the TV because it was such heavy glass.
In 2047, TVs are put into homes replacing walls so the viewers can watch huge TVs. In 2062, neuroscientists present to the public a device that can be hooked up to the brain through special external wiring that makes it so the viewers can see on TV whatever they are thinking, making anything possible programming-wise. In 2063, the public can buy glasses with a lens that is a screen with broadcasted television.
In 2065, the public can buy contact lenses with broadcasted